Guys, welcome back to my channel Admirable in the Art and Crafts. So today I am back with one more video. So today in my new video I will be showing you how to make easy DIY wind chime or wall decor for your house. So let's just start with the procedure, but before starting, it's my humble request that guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't go without subscribing and must like, share and comment down, and also you can comment down your request video that I'll be uploading in the next video. So let's start with the video. Now for making the wind chime, we are taking here one piece of paper of yellow color, and after that take here a ruler and a pencil compass. Now just measure 5.5 on the compass like this, and now just draw a required circle. After drawing, now just you cut it. This is what you are required here with. Now just take it and just fold into half and just mark a crease, and now again fold into half and just mark a crease and just pinch a point, and again just half it. Now using your scissor, just cut the excess portion. Now just from the top just trim the point. Now from the bottom just make frills using scissor like this, and you can mark the centimeter with your ruler around 2 centimeter up to the last width like this. So something like this you are required here with. Now you can open the circle like this and just open it completely. So it is the required shape. Now just take your scissor and just trim it from the one side like this. Now just using scissor, just curve these frills. Like this. So yes, it is done. Now just put your thumb and just using your thumb just roll it twicely like this, carefully. Now add little bit fabric or favicol on the end now, and just secure it like this. Now you can just trim it excess frills if you think that these are extra, as I am trimming. So yeah, it is done. Now let's make an wind chime. So these are what you are required. So here I have taken 8 of yellow pieces and 4 of pink pieces and 1 of white piece. So let's them hang together to make a wind chime. Now just take here some pearls and a needle with the inserted thread. I have inserted here thick yarn. Now just insert it through like this and make sure that the end of the wool should be looped. And now just take here some white pearls and just insert it through the wool and purse them like this. Like this. And here I've attached 3 white pearl and one orange like this, and the one green. So this will be the hanging. Similarly, insert other all like this. Now just take here a around 8 to 9 centimeter radius circle for the upper part like this. So just now here take here a yellow color paper and for the base of the circle. So add some Fevicol on the boundary and in inner part of the circle. And just flap the paper over the circle like this and let it dry for some times and just cut the excess paper. Now see, I have cutted the excess paper and it is dried completely. Now just add glue to the back of the circle and just flap the white paper on the back and let it dry and just similarly cut the excess. So it is covered completely and dried also. So now let's hang the florets. So just using your ruler, just mark the points on the eight sides. And now just hang them. And these are the points for the inside one and this for the white color one florets. So now just take the floret back and just insert it through the first point like this. This cardboard is little hard, you can prefer the soft one too, and just hang it like this. And you can keep the length of the wool according to your preference and according to the height whatever you want. So I have taken here this much, around 7 centimeter height like this. So now similarly insert other florets and just cut excess from the top. So finally the first layer is completed, as you can see. So now let's begin with the second layer. Now insert the pink one and similarly insert 3 white color pearl and 1 orange and 1 green. like this. Now prick it through the center hole like this, and just now keep whatever height you want and just cut the excess. Now similarly complete the layer. So the last and the second layer is done. Now let's insert the last one, white florid. So now take here the white one florid and insert it again similarly through the needle. Then insert some few pearls similarly, white and then orange and then green, and insert the needle through the center hole like this, and just pull it up and keep similarly the length according to your. Now take here a long strip of pink color and just fold it into half. Just not mark a crease, but like this only, fold in the fluffy way. Now just from the top bottom, just make frills as you did in the florids making. Like this. You continue the process, and now just curl them using scissors from the bottom like this. Now add glue on the boundary of the circle like this, and just take here a golden color sticky tape and just stick it on the top of the strip to give it a good look and a colorful look like this, and just stick this strip on the boundary of the circle. I have lined the strip on the sides, you can watch. Now just keep the circle over here and just add hot glue gun on the edges of the circle like this and just flap over the green color paper and stick it completely, and just trim out the excess paper. Now it is done. Now for the hanging, take here wool and just wrap it thrice in your fingers and just cut the excess portion. Now add a full of glue gun on the top and just stick this wool and stick one paper on the top like this. So it is done. So I hope you all guys liked it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will be uploading the full pic of this. So thank you. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.